You know, there's one thing I've discovered as a mom. It's that pancakes have this magical power. Want the kids to clean up? Pancakes. Need them to get dressed on time? Pancakes. It's like the ultimate bargaining tool, and honestly, I'm not complaining. So this morning, guess what's on the menu? Yes, pancakes. And I'm about to show you exactly how I make them whilst we have a little chat about breakfast, motherhood, and keeping up with it all. Let's get into it. So, I woke up this morning still feeling the weight of yesterday. But you know how it is? Moms don't get days off. The kids love pancakes. So here I am, making them their favorite breakfast. I start by weighing my flour. I don't really measure things anymore because I've done this so many times. But for the sake of precision, I weighed out my flour and added a pinch of salt, some nutmeg, and a little brown sugar. I love using brown sugar because it gives the pancake a nice depth of flavor. Everything goes into my mixing bowl and I give it a little stir. Next, it's time for the eggs. I crack one in, and here is where I made a little slip up. I forgot my oil. Usually, I add a tablespoon of oil, whether it's sunflower, olive oil, coconut oil, or even melted butter. It helps keeps the pancake soft and moist. But no worries, we move. Now, I grab my electric mixer. Listen, I don't have the time to be whisking this by hand. We are busy moms and we love efficiency. So I let the mixer do its thing. For the liquid, I use a mix of fresh milk and evaporated milk. That combination is the secret to extra rich and delicious pancakes. I pour both into my butter and the mixer blends everything into a smooth consistency. Then I go ahead to add my vanilla essence. Vanilla isn't just for flavor. It actually has some great benefits too. It's known to have antioxidant properties, and some even say it can help with relaxation. Plus, it just makes everything smell and taste amazing.
I know you're scared sometimes. Don't know if you're wrong or right. You've been doing things you never thought you'd do. Taking it day by day. It seems like you lost your way. Even when you win, it still feels like you lose. I wish that you could see what I see. You're so much stronger than what you think. No sleep, cause if you do, then you dream nightmares, but I'll be there for everything. Just think of me. When your heart is racing at the speed of light, and you feel like you got nowhere else to go. No, I hold you till the sun comes in the morning light. Yeah, I'll keep you safe, I'll never let you go. I'll never let you go. I know you're scared sometimes. Don't know if you're wrong or right. You've been doing things you never thought you'd do. Taking it day by day. It seems like you lost your way. Even when you win, it still feels like you lose.
Once my butter is smooth and lump-free, it's time to fry. Now, I prefer frying my pancakes with salted butter. You might wonder why salted butter instead of regular oil. Well, salted butter adds extra flavor and helps create that beautiful golden brown edge that makes pancakes irresistible.
Speed of light, and you feel like you got nowhere else to go. No, I hold you till the sun comes in the morning light. Yeah, I'll keep you let you go. I know you're scared sometimes. Don't know if you're wrong or right. You've been doing things you never thought you'd do. Taking it day by day. It seems like you lost your way. Even when you win, it still feels like you lose.
I heat up my pan, coat it with a little butter, and scoop in my first ladle of butter. I love watching it spread out, sizzling gently in the pan. There is something so satisfying about making pancakes, isn't it?
I know you're scared sometimes. Don't know if you're wrong or right. You've been doing things you never thought you'd do. Taking it day by day. It seems like you lost your way. Even when you win, it still feels like you lose. I wish that you could see what I see. You're so much stronger than what you think. No sleep, 'cause if you do, then you dream nightmares, but I'll be there for everything. Just think of me when your heart is racing, racing at the speed of light.
While that cooks, let me ask you, what's your kids' favorite breakfast? Do you have a go-to dish that gets them excited in the morning? Comment below and let me know. And if there's a breakfast recipe you'd love me to try, drop it in the comments as well. I'll be happy to give it a go. Back to the pancakes. Once the first side is golden brown, I flip it over and the kitchen fills with that warm, buttery aroma. I just know the kids are going to love this. Motherhood, it's exhausting, but these little moments make a simple breakfast that puts a smile on their faces, make it all worth it. No matter how tired we are, we keep going because that's what we do.
Racing, racing at the speed of light. And you feel like you got nowhere else to go. No, I hold you till the sun comes in the morning light. Yeah, I'll keep you safe, I'll never let you go. I'll never let you go. I know you're scared sometimes. Don't know if you're wrong or right. You've been doing things you never thought you'd do. Taking it day by day. It seems like you lost your way. Even when you win, it still feels like you lose.
And there we have it. Perfect pancakes, fresh off the pan, ready to be devoured. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notifications so you never miss a new episode. Let's keep inspiring each other with simple, delicious meals and real mom life conversation. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Don't know